So if you're like me, you have about 100 of these cans, not literally, well, you might. I don't have 100, I probably have 30 or so cans of paint, just random colors that I've had and got over the years that are still good and I don't want to throw them away. But right now I have them in this cabinet. You can see it's just full, and it's very difficult for me to find the color I need when I need it, see if I even have it. So today I'm going to make an organizer on this wall, just a dirty wall in my garage here. It needs re-drywalled, it has for a long time, I just probably won't ever do it. So I'm just gonna cover it with a spray paint organizer for now. Probably do 2 rows of them, and then that should hopefully clear that cabinet out quite a bit. So here we go. Okay, I'm going to cut a semicircle every 3 1/4 inches down the board to hold my cans, and then I'll have a board below, and it'll make more sense here in a minute. This is a 2 3/4 hole saw bit. It's about perfect for a spray can. It gives you about 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch on each side of the can. All boxed in.
Nothing fancy. You can see just basically shelf to hold all the spray paint. And just some blocks in the middle to kind of support the top. Real ugly on that corner. You can see just around, not really worried about it being pretty, just gonna be on the wall to hold spray paint, so.
All right, here we go, guys. This is the finished product. Like I said, just quick and dirty, nothing fancy. Did this in about an hour. So the next one will go a lot quicker now that I know what I'm doing. Just to give you some quick specs real quick, this is just 1x4 lumber. Did 2 3/4 inch hole saw. That leaves just enough space to get the cans in and out pretty easily. Did 3 1/4 inch centers on the holes. And then I set the hole saw center back 3/4 of an inch from the face of the actual cabinet or the shelf here, and that left just enough to leave the front of the holes open so I could see the front of the cans easily. Again, you could probably use plywood if you'd like to on this. That would work good too. I was just using some scrap 1x4s I had in the garage here, and I just finished nailed and glued everything together. So you could use screws, you could just use, you could hand nail them with finish nails. There's not a lot of weight here, so not a lot of support needed. And then I just screwed into the studs everywhere I had them. I'm gonna do one more below just to get the rest of the cans out of that cabinet and to kind of cover up this ugly wall here. It's pretty nasty if you can tell. 1950s house, so the garage hasn't had much attention. We've done the rest of the house though. So just wanted to show you guys too, about a month ago or so, a little longer, I built me a organizer for my drills and my radio and for my drill bits. Works out pretty nice, and just more stuff like this, you know, it's just really nice to have in the garage so you can have everything out where you can find it easily and can put it back away easily. I got a lot of junk here on the workbench I need to get cleaned up, you can tell. And in the cabinets, I got lots of power tools and other junk that needs to get put away. So more organization to come hopefully in the future. So again, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Feel free to subscribe if you would. It means a lot if you do. And thanks for watching.